Welcome to my channel. I'm Cookie, the lifestyle. You're watching I Can Do That with Cookie, a lifestyle channel. Here you'll find recipes, home decor, exercise, and weight loss journey, and so much more organization, DIYs, and reviews, and fashion, and makeup, home DIYs, and improvements, and so much more. Stay tuned, I upload weekly. I'm making shrimp pho.
It's hot up in here.
But I'm making some comforting shrimp pho with fish balls. Stay tuned and come back now, you hear? It's gonna be delicious. Is this on? Oh, so close. I already have my cast iron skillet heating. And let me show you the protagonist of this soup. Now, I'm gonna do a little cheat sheet or a little hack, if you will. Let me get you closer. I'm going to cheat. Don't judge me. I'm going to use some chicken bone broth and I'm gonna zhuzh it up with a couple of things. Now, this is a mix of my friend's recipe, my recipe, and research that I've done because I absolutely love pho. And I'm going to be using this. It says spicy beef flavor, but this has no beef in it whatsoever. What this is to enhance beef flavor. But let me tell you what this has. This has salt, lemongrass, water, onion, garlic, sweet Thai basil, chili, galangal, sugar, soy sauce, and then it says shrimp paste, paprika color, and 5 spices. And I'm gonna use this to bump up the flavor of the chicken bone broth. And I have here a large onion that I've halved and I'm going to char it a little bit. I have some garlic right here and I also have some ginger that I'm going to be searing. You're gonna need some lime for the end of the soup before serving. They sell this packet in Asian food markets and it has a little bag, so you put all of these spices in that bag, and this has coriander seed, it has fennel, cinnamon, anise star, and this is absolutely wonderful. And just a little tip, get a few of these and put them in a bowl and set them out around your house and you've got fall in a bag right here.
It's delicious.
I'm using some rock sugar. The type of noodles that I'll be using are the rice stick Vietnamese. I have some cilantro here, fresh coriander. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some of the roots and put it in the broth as well. Here in this bowl right here, I have in some water some daikon or daikon radish. I cut them in half moons like that. And then here in some water, I have some baby bok choy that I've rinsed several. Did I mention several? Yes, because, you know, critters. Okay, and then let's see, what else? Oh, some fish sauce. There are a few more bits that I need to get. We don't really need it right now, but I want to show it to you because these are the things that you're going to need to serve along with the broth and the noodles. It's just going to be delicious. So hold on a minute. I have here some Thai sweet basil. Let me open it up so you can get a better look. How about that, right?
Works more than I want a cookie.
Oh my gosh. This has a licorice, an aniseed. This smells so delicious. You're gonna see at the end when I plate and I serve it, you're gonna use some of this sweet basil. And we have some garlic chives. I'm gonna give these. I was doing so good. I said what I meant was I'm gonna give these a nice wash. Look at that, aren't these beautiful? These have a really nice garlic smell to them, hence garlic chives, but they're a little tough. That's okay though, because they'll be perfectly blanched in the broth. I'll be adding some fish balls. I forgot to mention that I'm also using bean sprout. I was just rinsing them and draining them. That's why I forgot them. But yes, you're going to need them. Here I'm just toasting the spices. I suggest doing that first. Don't walk away from this. It's an extra step, I know, but it's going to be delicious. I wish you could smell what I smell in here. It is amazing. This is cinnamon, star anise, coriander seed, fennel seeds, cinnamon, and I think that this right here is, I think that might be nutmeg. Okay, time to add the onions. Wait for it. Well, that was anticlimactic. Anyway, dry skillet. I'm gonna roast all of these. There we go, much better. Don't walk away too far from this. And then you're gonna be like,
The cookie! No, don't walk away from it. I told you not to.
in this clip, you see I added some water, and I'm also going to add more water later on. Give it a good stir before adding everything else, just to make sure that everything is incorporated. Now you're going to see floating in there in the waters some coriander stems that imparts flavor. Do you see the char on that ginger? Absolutely delicious and fragrant, and I'm just adding all the rest of the bits and the garlic and everything. I can withstand the heat sometimes, but I do not suggest doing that at home. Please do it the proper way. Do as I say, not as I do. Look at the char on these onions. I wish I could have done a little more of a char, especially all around, but it's okay. I just had to get this done, and this is going to impart such flavor into the broth. Stir and stir. Give your broth some love. I wish that you could smell the aroma in here. It permeates. Oh my gosh, I want to start another Asian tour. Thank you, God, for Vietnam. I see you. You know you have some Amazon packages. I'm going to sear the shrimp a little bit and the fish balls. I've patted them dry as much as possible. Woo-wee. That smells good. Now I'm going to add the veggies, the daikon. Taking it out the water, adding that carefully. The bok choy. I know it looks like it's going to be a lot, but this is going to reduce quite a bit. Just do it carefully. And I'll have this going. See, it's already reducing. And then I can add the shrimp and the fish balls to this broth. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell this. It is thundering and it is raining, and this is perfect, perfect comfort deliciousness right here. Nutrient dense, healthy, and delicious. Cover it back up. Give the shrimp a nice toss. Yep. That's it. That's what you want. You see that char? Yep. Look at this. And you let them finish in the broth. Nice little char. Just like that. Learned that little trick from the Vietnamese restaurant. I was like, wow, that makes a difference. I'll be back. I'm gonna add those to that. the broth, everything is ready. I have the noodles cooked already. I rinsed them in cold water. Now I'm going to plate them here. I'm going to transfer the broth from here to there. It's minimal, you know.
To avoid any accidents.
Oh, this is going to be goo. Don't worry guys, my hands are clean. My hands are clean. Just like that. Oh, this is going to be good. That's good. Like that. Like that. The mistress is looking at me like, come on, keep the noodles going. You want some more noodles?
Let's see.
You want some?
One more scoopish.
One more scoopish?
Yeah, one more scoopish.
He says, I came from the gym.
One more scoopish. Okay, that's good.
Okay, now. Always open away from you. Woo!
A science lab? Always open away from you?
Well, yeah, because you don't want to. First of all, I'm gonna place the scrimpies and the fish balls. Look, you got fish balls.
Fish have balls? Excuse me, what?
Fish balls. Don't be naughty. Look at that. I'm gonna place the veggies, the bok choy. Look at dang. You got the way.
That's a good way.
Need some more fish balls. Where's the daikon? Oh, there it is. There it is. I see it. I see it. Right? Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Oh, that's all the hierros.
Yes. The shrimps. Ooh, yes. There they go. Look at that. Oh, yeah, baby. What? Look at that. I did want to mention that while I was charring the shrimp and the fish balls, I did add a little bit of my garlic paste at the very end. That was another little tip that I learned. Let's take it over there and see what the mister thinks and let him put the fixings on there. All right, so I forgot to plug in the mic and lost the original sound footage. Nonetheless, here are the toppings: jalapeno slices, lime, sweet Thai basil, garlic chives, coriander or cilantro, bean sprouts in the lotus bowls and back, hoisin sauce, roasted spicy sesame oil, and garlic chili paste. Can I speak, please? My husband is going to put all these nice toppings in his own bowl, and let's see what happens from there.
You know it's gonna be good.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at dang. Taste those fish balls.
She wants me to try ball fish or fish ball. Almost like scallop consistency.
They're made out of pollock fish.
It does make a difference, charring it up.
Doesn't it?
And what's
It's
this?
a little extra step, but taste the daikon.
Daikon?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Oh no, that is good because it's soft. I had it crudo, I had it raw. This way, much better.
That's good.
How is it?
Oh, geez, this is delicious. Let me grab a little scrimpy. Oh, yes, nice and seared. Sugar cookies. This was absolutely delicious. Not bad for my first time making pho. If you like these kinds of video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Turn your notification bell and select all so you don't miss my videos. Be blessed, not too stressed, and as I say around here, smile, your soul will thank you for it. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see on this lifestyle channel. I'll see you in the next Toodaloo. Oh my gosh, this soup was good. Oh no, what happened? What is that? Aniseed my video. I can't make that up, guys, I promise.